Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Paste, the incredible rubberized paste. Right out of the tub, Flex Paste is super thick. It clings to the surface and it instantly fills gaps and holes. Flex Paste penetrates deep into hard-to-reach areas. You can spread it, shape it to take on just about any form. Use Flex Paste on wood, metal, all types of surfaces. And once it dries, it turns to this, a strong, flexible rubber. It expands and contracts. Flex Paste is tough stuff.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. This is not a drill. I repeat again, this is not a drill. NORAD has detected the launch of 5 intercontinental ballistic missiles. These weapons have presumed to have been launched from North Korea. The locations of impact have been confirmed. These include Los Angeles, California, Miami, Florida, Washington, D.C., Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and New York City. Everyone within a 300-mile radius of these cities, which is most of the United States, needs to seek an underground shelter or the nearest fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. To long enough exposure can lead to certain death. Bring a battery-powered radio, water, canned food, first aid, and other essential items for survival. This is a life-threatening and critical situation. Do not waste time on this. Please go now. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local law enforcement will lead you to one. This is WBS-TV in Atlanta, Georgia. We will continue to serve the central and western cities of Georgia. If you are not in this local area, tune to a local media station that is providing news and updates for your local area. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcast and TV stations in the United States are transmitting this message at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. At this time, President Joe Biden has been taken to a secure and undisclosed location. One of the representatives of the president will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
This is a CBS News special report.
My fellow Americans, our worst thought that we have been fearing now for a long time has come to pass. North Korea has planned to attack our country with weapons that the world has never seen before. But we've responded to this. We have decided to make the call to make a declaration of war on North Korea. Unfortunately, evil will destroy buildings, homes, and families. But it does not destroy the American spirit of unity. Please don't forget who we are. We are the United States. We will get further together, one nation united. Our military troops have already been deployed to our bases in Asia. The president and his staff have not made the next step in military action, but this is far from over. Unfortunately, we only have a short time to talk to you. So I wish all of you good luck. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you.